Thank you, Lord.
You can after 1 week.
Hello K-Tribe, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is all about the got2be glued spray. To get yours, DM me on Instagram at Kemunto2016. I'm selling them at 2,000 Kenyan shillings. This is the original product. Please use this. It's the original product. There are many counterfeit out there, but this one is original from Germany. So we're going to use got2be glue. We're going to spray it from 30 centimeters distance evenly all over your hair perimeter. After applying or spraying it heavily, allow it to dry, and you can use the blow dryer on the cool setting to dry faster. So these are the uses of the got2be glue. It's glued blasting freeze spray. It's for high class styles. It's ultimate hold and easy to use. And this is why you're going to use it to achieve the most realistic, beginner friendly, glueless, full-lace wig. This wig is from my perfect lace. We're going to use the stocking cap method. This is my first time using the stocking cap method. If you like this kind of videos, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Like if you like, no one is forcing you, and if you dislike, just know that this is not going to hold me off from doing these kind of videos. So let's just watch and see.